how to enable or disable Bluetooth Ringtone Sync on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, go down and then tap on connections. Then tap on Bluetooth. Next, tap on the More button, then from the pop-up, tap on Advanced Settings. Then in here, we go down and tap on Ringtone Sync. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on Ringtone Sync. And it said here, use your phone's ringtone when you get calls on connected Bluetooth devices. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.